Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at my allotment again, and as you can see I'm standing in front of my new polytunnel. This is by a company called KSB Greenhouse. If you're interested or on the market for a greenhouse, just type in D.W.W gardening, and when you go on their website, type that in, and you'll put the name Peter in, and it will give you a quote of the size of greenhouse or polytunnel that you want. This is a 3 meter, so it's 3 meters wide by 5 meters. That's the size I wanted. I could have had a longer one, but I wanted this size to keep it thing. So I'm going to show you how this greenhouse is, and then although I've just had it recently built, a lot of people asking what is it like. This is the new polycarbonates. They were based up in Ireland, but now they're in Kidderminster, so they serve the whole of the mainland. This is one of the first ones they've built. This is the first one that they've built on the mainland. So I'm going to show you why this one is strong compared to other polycarbonates. Right, so if my cameraman can come in, I'll start with the side. You can see all the holes were pre-drilled and they're held on in place with bolts on the back and a washer. What makes it windproof, you can see that ain't going to go nowhere, is that the polycarbonate is 6mm, and where the straps are, it's overlapped to give that more stability. So you've got it overlapped to give it more strength and more stability. You can see how warm it is. It's cold out here, but you can see how warm it is in there, because it's when you see them sweating on the outside, then you know that how warm they are. So if you want one what you can grow all through the winter with and everything, which is what I plan on doing, and it's got a rubber seal down the side here, which is on the inside, and you see it's all bolted on, kept in place. Right, this is the front bit, what I'm not going to be using that much. You've got the hooks for the windows, and you see the windows have got a cross which is supporting bars and framed on the outside. To open it, you open it from the top first. So if I'll show you. If you try to open the bottom, it won't go nowhere until when you open the top. And then it's got the hooks on the side here, what you just clip in, and that keeps it in place. It's got two, one for the top and one for the bottom. Just open the door like that, and you've got the hook that stays there. Right, coming inside. Wow, it's hot in here. This is winter and it's really hot in here. You can see how hot it is in here. Right, on the front frame, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 support bars going, and these ain't going right across as just one length. They're all separated and all bolted together. As you can see, they're all bolted together. Then it's got another supporting bar here, which keeps everything into place here. Then it's got on the struts, it's got, the bar comes right across to support that bit out, which is the outer bar there. And then you've got this one what comes across to support this bar here. Then you've got this crossbar what comes across to support the bottom peg there. This is all been cemented in, so it's all cemented in. The shelves are easy to come off. You can see the shelf are nice solid things. So you just put that in like that. So if you don't want to use it, you don't have to use it, but they're there as extra strength. Now you've got these crossbars, and as you can see, as well as them going down, they're still supported here and supported to the crossbar, which is to support that that's just that arch there, and it comes across. It's got another support there, and then it goes back down. You can put another shelf on there. I've got 3 shelves on that side, so you can get 3 shelves on there. I could put another 2 shelves there if I wanted to, but that's all good. So it's all been cemented in. You can see the cross sections of the door and how the handles are. So this is all framed in with all cross struts, so that door is strong and windproof. Now this polytunnel, although you see it like this will take very high wind speed, so this isn't going to go nowhere. You can see how strong that is. If you tug on it, let my cameraman go back a bit. If you tug on that, you can actually swing on that, how strong that is. So that's it. That's the inside. The flooring space now. You've got your flooring space, which is going to be on my next video. I'm going to most probably take up this sheet in here and just put a new piece down, and then use this one for something else. So that is the polytunnel from KSB. If you like what you see, like, share and subscribe. This is what we're going to be working in throughout most of the gardening season. Indoor plants, tropical plants. We're going to show you how to grow a variety of different plants. We've got the shelving, we've got spaces to hang baskets. If you want to store, you can put your piece of wood through here. You can put a length of wood through these hoops here as well, so that you've got places to tie your tomato. If you're going to plant tomatoes in there, you can string them up. You've got storage across. If you want to put your sticks or anything, you can store them across the top there. So you got 3. You got the ground, you got the shelf, and you got hanging basket space. So everything is. If you're gonna order it, I recommend that you get the team to come and build a polytunnel. You can build it yourself, but it's going to take you a bit of time following the instructions and then getting the polycarbonate right. So you can see that isn't going nowhere. So instead of getting the polythene one all the time, which when high winds come, they always get damaged, this one isn't going nowhere. You can sit at home with the knowledge of knowing that your polytunnel is still going to be there when you get there. So that is the Greenhouse Strong. This is called the Strong. If you go on their website, you see that they've got other models. If you want one with straight up sides or with the cone and that, they've got other models. That if you don't want this strong, they've got other models on there. They're not as expensive as you think. They're going to cost you the same price or maybe less than a decent polytunnel. Just so if you're interested in one, just go on there, put in the details, put in the size that you want, put D.W.W Gardening sent you, address the email to Peter and he'll give you a quote. The quote is, the price is what you see on the website is for the polytunnel, then you've got to factor in the delivery cost as well. So it's not just the price, it's going to be for delivery as well. And if you want the fitting and everything, then it will give you a whole complete price. If you want shelving, or if you want vents or windows fitted on the top, then all that is in factor. But with this, I'll show you. You can stay that you can see when it's shut, you've got all this space here for ventilation. You've got one on. You can leave one side open and you'll have enough air going through. So really, it's only if you really got a longer one, like I would say about 10 meters or so, then you might need a couple of vents if you want them. But I think this is going to be more than enough air to go through. So if there's anything else you want to know about this polytunnel, just reach out to me and let me know, and I can, or if you reach out to Peter on the team, he'll let you know what. So this is a company called KSB. We're on the mainland now, so we've got a few bookings. So whenever you think, we'll give you a date, and that's the date we'll adhere to. So thanks for watching. Please remember to like and share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. If you're on the market for a polytunnel, I would highly recommend one of these or one of their other built. They're built to last for years. The polycarbonate is there for years. You know, they use these on roofs and buildings and everything, so this isn't going to break like the glass or anything, so we're all good to go. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care.